Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this problem, we're asked to find various properties of the area of the L4 by 3 by 1/4 inch angle cross section with respect to the x and y axis through the centroid. So we can look up the principal area, the centroidal area moments. Okay, and about the centroid, we have Ix is 1.33 inches to the fourth, and Iy is 2.75 inches to the fourth. And again, the centroidal maximum or minimum is 0.692 inches to the fourth. So we were given this, and we can look those up, and we can then start playing with, we draw Mohr's circle. So we know this, which means we can get the center. Okay, then we get the radius, and we can then start cranking out other properties from there. So our center is at the average of these two things, so 2.04 inches to the fourth. The radius, so we know that the minimum here is the center minus the radius, so that gives us that the radius is 1.348 inches to the fourth. And so once we know the center and the radius, we can get the maximum is 3.388 inches to the fourth. And then we can figure out what the area product is by using Pythagorean theorem for, in this triangle here, because we know this and we know this, so we can figure that out. And in this case, because Ix, basically, if you look at the figure, because this guy, I bar x, is less than I bar y, we're going to have the negative value. So, and this one over here is going to be minus. So we get that the area product is minus 1.146 inches to the fourth. And we can then also find out what this angle is. Right, and so we can use various triangles here to get that. So, but we can say cosine of 2 times theta m is this distance here divided by that the radius, and we wind up with that theta m is 29.1 degrees. And actually that would be a negative, and because it's in the counterclockwise direction. So we need to rotate this 29.1 degrees clockwise to get our principal axes.